I wanted to show you the Packard video locator and how to install it. So you go to the website and you'll notice at the top there is going to be a menu item called Pics, Docs, and More. You go down to the last item and it's called Video Locator Tool. You'll see the Mac installer and also the PC installer. Go to the Mac installer, and here's the only tricky part. When it downloads, don't click on it. What you have to do is you actually have to just look at it in Finder. So you hit the arrow and show in Finder. You'll see it up here and you have to right click. Then you just hit open. It'll let you know, hey, this was downloaded from the internet. Are you okay? Just open it. Okay, and I can get out of this now. And you'll see that it says you'll be guided through the process. So you just hit continue and continue and install. Ask for a password. That's just the person that's using the computer. And then it installs. And you're done. You close and you move. What you're going to move to trash is the installer. And you can look down at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. You can see that icon. That's Let It Burn. That is the video locator. So let's see if it works. Grandpa's famous phrase, imaginary mind. And sure enough, there it is. I love this quote.
As a little baby in my imaginary mind.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to show you one more thing that it can do. We added this second advanced search feature. So if you're going to search multiple words, but you don't know what order they're in, you can type Stan, comma, Steve, comma, David. You don't know if it's Dave or David, so you just DAV and it'll truncate it. And sure enough, these are the ones that had all these in the same line. I was actually looking for this famous PM magazine.
Musically adept, 17-year-old Stephen, 15-year-old Stan, 14-year-old David, and 12-year-old Dan all went to regional band competition this school year.
Stan is getting down.
Then there's always 10-year-old Marshall, who's always got...
So that's a classic, and you can find a lot of good things by going advanced in these words in a line, just separate them by commas. Well, that's all for today. Happy searching. Over and out.